What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a good day. Today we're going to be using the 60-volt angle grinder from DeWalt. Got the 9-amp flex bolt battery on. Take that off. I just actually slapped it on to test out. So I got a new blade on here. Now I'll show you at the end how to take and put these on, but super simple. They give you an Allen key, put it in there. And then on the back side, you hold the brake down and loosen, tighten with that. Comes with a handle, can put on either side. Be kind of nice if there's somewhere back here you could hold it, I feel like, but left or right. Comes with a guard. They actually give you a bigger guard if you're gonna use, excuse me, bigger blades. Other than that, this is the brushless version. No speed control, anything like that. There's a little safety trigger on it. And where you put a metal cutting blade on here. Just going to be cutting some bolts. The one thing I'm slightly worried about is the blades I bought are pretty thin. They give you one that's pretty thick. And it was okay. I did cut one bolt with this. But I wanted to grab something that's really from metal. They're a bit thinner, so need to be extra careful. Just wear eye protection. Use the shield properly. So, got some goggles, but let's head on out there and check out what we got. And I'll come back and here. Sorry. Grab a couple things. Really, I might also, got a crazy hair day, by the way. Might also recommend using some gloves, but that's just me. Alright, let's check this out. Bring it down. Got my dog here, I'm gonna have to probably put her inside. Let's see if I can get you an angle here while we're cutting. Let's see. Alright, really just got these bolts all around the pad from the deck that used to be here. I just want to cut them off. They're annoying. People trip on them. So, here we go. Gotta be careful because that will be hot as anything else you want to refer it to. Let's check the blade. It actually looks to be in really good condition. So, probably move on to the next one. See if this is still. Yeah. Ooh. If you squeeze at the top, it's hot. So you gotta be careful. Throw this somewhere, my dog won't step on it. Alright. Let's go to the next one real quick. This one's got a washer on it. Just cut it in half first. See the blade pulsating heat, so it's probably almost time to change. So there you have it. That is the 60-volt brushless angle grinder. Now, the blade's okay, but they're so thin I'll probably change it out. I might try one more bolt. I think there's one left, two left. But going on 10 minutes. It's ooh, these are so hot still. So there you have it. Nothing too crazy, but I gotta make sure my dog stays away from those. Nothing like adding to the bad hair day. Put some goggles on. But that's kind of it. So pretty nice. I've got concrete blades I will be using in the basement. Then I'll just finish out those last couple over there, but my dog's curious, so I should be careful. She'll wanna mess with those pieces. So there you have it. Whoop. Thanks for watching. It's a nice grinder. It's a little expensive, but I mean, well, you could probably just keep going for hours. I bet that didn't even put a touch in the battery. Let's check here. Yeah, so we're still at 3. So you can go for quite a while. And if you have a couple batteries, I mean, that'll charge on the fast charger in time for you to go through another one, unless you're doing, I mean, steel I-beams for construction. But anyways, have a good night. I did do an oil change, transmission flush on the Civic. Gonna do the power steering, brake flush, and a clutch flush here. Also did tire rotation. So gonna be doing the other ones either tonight or tomorrow. So I'll make another video tonight, just kind of going over some of that. But have a good one, guys. Let me know if you got any questions about the angle grinder.